This is a Walt Disney original little long-playing record, and I'm your Disneyland story reader. I'm going to begin now to read the story of the 101 Dalmatians. You can read along with me in your book. You'll know it's time to turn the page when Tinker Bell rings her little bells like this. Let's begin now. Lucky Puppy lived with his father, Pongo, and his mother, Perdita, and with all his sisters and brothers. The people who belonged to them were Roger and Anita and Nanny Cook. That's Nanny Cook in the doorway above. Here are Penny and Lenny and Salter and Pepper, Jolly and Raleigh and Patch and Latch. Here are Spot and Dot and Blob and Blot and Blackie and Whitey and... Where's Lucky? Here's Lucky in front of the television watching his favorite Thunderbolt. Whenever Penny and Lenny wanted to dig holes or Salter and Pepper wanted to chew bones, or Patch and Latch wanted to chase tails, or Jolly and Raleigh wanted to jump at Nanny Cook's apron strings, or Spot and Dot wanted to play hide and seek, or Blob and Blot wanted to growl at the mirror, or Blackie and Whitey wanted to take a nap, Lucky never wanted to. He just wanted to sit in front of the television watching his favorite, Thunderbolt. Or he practiced television tricks. "I'm going to be a television star myself," said Lucky Pup. Well, all the other puppies learned puppy tricks. Soon they could sit up and roll over. They could dance and shake hands. They could jump for a treat and walk politely at heel, but not Lucky. He was too busy dreaming of being a television star. One day, he decided he was ready to be in a television show. So he slipped out of the house and he ran down the street. He ran around a corner, and there he stopped. He was lost. He did not know his way to the television place, and he did not know his way home. Poor Lucky. He walked and walked and walked. He tried to show people his television tricks, but they did not understand. "He doesn't seem to know any puppy tricks," was all the people said. Finally, a policeman came along. He looked at Lucky's license tag, and he took Lucky home. There were Penny and Lenny, and Salter and Pepper, and Jolly and Raleigh, and Patch and Latch, Spot and Dot, and Blob and Blot, and Blackie and Whitey, all doing puppy tricks for treats. But not Lucky. Lucky was all tired out. He crept straight into his basket, and he went straight to sleep. He even slept through the Thunderbolt show, which the other puppies watched. But next morning, Lucky was up first of all. "Time enough for television later," he said. "Now I am going to learn my puppy tricks." And he did.
Cruela De Vil, Cruela De Vil. If she doesn't scare you, no evil thing will. To see her is to take a sudden chill. Cruella, Cruella De Vil. The curl of her lips, the ice in her stare. All innocent children had better beware. She's like a spider waiting for the kill. Look out for Cruella De Vil. At first you think Cruella is a devil, but after time has wore away the shock,
you come to realize you've seen her kind of eyes
watching you from underneath a rock. This vampire bat, this inhuman beast. She ought to be locked up but never released. The world was such a wholesome place until Cruella, Cruella De Vil. Oh, Cruella, Cruella, Cruella De Vil. 101, 101, 101 little tails are dancing. 101 pairs of eyes are glancing. 101 sets of paws are prancing with glee. Who can they be? Who can they be? 101 little voices yipping. 101 little mouths are nipping. 101 little pups ripping up the scenery. Who can they be? Who can they be? They're 101 Dalmatians. 101 bundles of fun. They're 101 Dalmatians. Look at them jump, look at them romp, look at them run. 101 mates from Rex to Rover. 101,000 spots all over. Picture 101 mischievous creations. 101 Dalmatians. They're 101 Dalmatians. 101 bundles of fun. They're 101 Dalmatians. Look at them jump, look at them romp, look at them run. 101 mates from Rex to Rover. 101,000 spots all over. Picture 101 mischievous creations. 101 bumpy birthday celebrations. 101, that's a lot.